VPK Bearing Company presents to your attention single-row angular contact ball bearing 7304 BEAT85 from the world-famous Japanese corporation NSK. This is an original premium class bearing designed to work with combined loads, both radial and axial. The 7304 BEAT85 model is equipped with a polyamide separator, which provides reduced friction, stable operation at high speeds, and increased wear resistance. The bearing is open on both sides, which makes it an ideal choice for units with centralized lubrication or controlled operating conditions. The main dimensions of the bearing: inner diameter 20 millimeters, outer diameter 52 millimeters width. 15 millimeters NSK bearings are widely used in industrial equipment, machine tools, gearboxes, and other critical mechanisms, where accuracy, reliability, and long service life are important. You can find out more about the 7304 BEAT85 NSK bearing and many other models on the website of the company VPK Bearing. We offer only original products, fast shipping throughout Ukraine.